So, the issue we're trying to tackle here is one of the biggest problems in India's agricultural sector. That problem is over-fertilization. So, most often, traditionally, farmers often eyeball the amount of fertilizers they put into the crops. This leads to them putting more fertilizers than required, which causes over-fertilization. So, over-fertilization basically reduces the nutrient uptake of the soil. It basically makes the soil inadequate for the nutrients for the plants to suffice itself. So, the existing solutions about farmers use is the soil is too acidic, they put base in the soil. And if the soil is too basic, they add acids in the soil. But the issue with that is it stunts the growth of microorganisms in the soil. It reduces carbon content in the soil, and carbon content is directly related to the nutrient uptake of the soil of the plant. This is a huge issue because soil degradation affects 75% of all land on the earth, and 3.2 billion people worldwide are affected by this problem.
So to combat the solution, what we want to make is something that can give the farmers real-time data in an easy to understand way. So normally we'd use something like a fertilizer sensor like this, an NPK sensor. The problem with these sensors is that these sensors are about 20,000 rupees.
These are the probes of the NPK sensor.
There is 4 also.
Okay.
What is that?
These are probes of the
Each
NPK
one,
sensor.
what he detects.
So basically NPK sensor will detect 3 values: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The problem with this, these can range between 20,000 rupees and around 1,20,000 rupees, or like a price of an iPhone approximately. So the reason these farmers cannot afford these things. So what we do is we use pH values. This study from the University of California tells us that based on the amount of fertilizer farmers have added, it affects the pH level. So since it affects the pH level, based on the pH level, soil moisture and temperature, we have made an AI model which is extremely accurate with a 0.095 loss, which is the lower the loss is to 0, the more accurate the model is. So with this loss, the model predicts as to what the MFL value is. We made this value called MFL, which is mean fertilizer level. So the farmer basically reads the mean fertilizer level to indicate to him which fertilizer and how much increase the fertilizer is. Using this method, we can range up to these many fertilizers, whereas the NPK sensor can only measure 3. So for example, if the MFL value is between 300 and 400, the farmer will know that the values are range between 100, whether it's high or low, and that it indicates the nitrogen value. So using this, the farmer will understand as to which value is in the soil. Second. The main features that we're adding to this product is that it shows real-time data. The data is time-stamped and it's very accurate, and it is completely offline. Means
Also real time. This is also real
yeah. But yeah. So also the thing is, this is completely offline. Everything runs offline. No internet connection required for the farmer on his part.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the main advantage, and it's also very cost effective and affordable.
So, why are solutions a game changer? So, our solution prevents over-fertilization of the soil, which kills a lot of crops. It helps to combat the killing of the microorganisms, which is really essential for the crop growth, and it uptakes the carbon level in the soil, so that the plant can grow. The plant can sustain itself. It can grow nicely. The uniqueness of our project is that it's very inexpensive for the farmers as compared to other solutions like the NPK. So while this will run you more than 20,000 rupees, this whole setup will only cost 5,000 rupees. And it's very easy for the farmer to understand, because we are translating the data to his or her local language. So because many farmers don't know English or Hindi, that's why we're translating it to their suitable language.
In the future, what we're trying to do is add like a generative model which is multilingual, and text to speech feature, because most farmers are illiterate. Yeah, so in terms of potential market value, we see this product as very new to the Indian market as itself, and it is very new because we have made a very cost-effective product using new technology. Like most technologies use the NPK sensor, as I told before, but the thing is our project, like our product itself is very new to the market in the technology sense and is much more cost-effective. And the other thing is this product is very essential to farmers in India because farmers in India have tend to over-fertilize their crops so much. And because of the growing demand and supply, over fertilization can kill the crops and reduce their yield. So this has become much of a necessity in farm over India. As well as our product is there's no competition as such for us in India because no products like this exist in the Indian market. So we feel that our project has a lot of potential market value. Thank you.